Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of ProAdvertisersClub. Today's count is 263, 248 free members, 15 VIP, and this is the PAC report for August 15th. I got a couple things to talk about, but first, let's go over the site real quick for those who are new or who just need to be reminded of all the things that you can do on the site. Every time you log in or go to a different page, there's going to be a sticky red bar drops down here, and it's got some latest important information. Like put an S after the HTTP, so your sites will be seen. That's got to do with the security system that's installed. It only accepts HTTPS. It will take your HTTP site, but it won't display it. Okay, or if it breaks frames. Be getting your daily bonus. You can get a max out of 3,000, and then when it resets to 100, it increases by 100 each day. And if you miss it any days, it resets to 100. Set up your view ads here. Test your sites. PAC report, you click on that, it takes you to my YouTube channel with all my latest videos about the site and the grid click winners. Play the grid click game. This is the only place you can win your free solo. Everybody wins if you just play. Play it, you win it. You also get entered into a nightly drawing or a nightly mailing for Hercules Plus that will be done on the following day. When you get your promo, send it to me through support. Go down to support and mail it to me, and I will enter you into that contest. On the email promo that comes out every day, all you get is the 1,000 points, text, banner, and full page surf, and all of those are 100 views. So make sure you're whitelisting it. If you can't see it's probably in your spam folder. Earn your credits here. Buy credits with or buy advertising with credits or cash. Redeem your codes here every day. On the affiliate tools, there's a new splash page that is has a really good rate of signups. So it's splash page number. It's the fourth one. I think it's numbered 6, but it's the fourth one. Um, on the commissions, I think I figured out a way to, at my limited knowledge of computer stuff, I went into the system and changed the price to 69 that it's showing because that's the special I'm running anyway. The only thing is I don't get the benefit of showing the savings, but it should connect the commissions so that you'll be able to see them. It should. We'll find out on the next VIP sign up. You can also click here to play the grid click game, and this will show you if you've entered the nightly winner of, I think it's a solo. One person wins every night, but you got to click at least 5 ads. And if this bar is full, that means you qualified. So keep going till that bar is full. Play the Steal Your Site app here, and it's free advertising. And of course, when they click on it, they have to look at your ad as well as somebody else's to get into it. So that's a nice little extra free advertising there. Here's the 2 offers I'm offering right now. One's the VIP, and this one's just a boatload. I think it's 2 million credits. I'm going to be working on some new offers here. If you got gifts, if you gift slots, it's where you offer to give them something free, like an ebook or whatever it might be. That make sure it's got to be something that you can legally give away free, and then to your capture page to get their email and sign them up. Let me see. Be filling out your downline builder. If you want a site like this, click on this and you will go over to Phil Marr's site, and he has pre-made sites. He will custom make a site for you, or he will sell you the script and you can do it yourself if you're good at that kind of thing. And here's the support. Click on that to email me the promos that you win in the grid click game. I had 13 people play yesterday. Only 8 people sent me their promos. If you don't want to, that's fine. I'm just saying it's I think some people are missing out because they might not know about it or understand that that's what they're supposed to do. Let's see. And I got a lot of welcome. If you signed up and you haven't turned in this welcome promo, that's some more free advertising. And so that's pretty much it for the site. It's going good. I appreciate everybody who's been supporting it. And the I think I found out what might be going on with. I've been studying the rules for Google on AdSense because my account got suspended, which right now means I can't make any money, which I wasn't anyway that I knew of. But if in the future, whatever. But it could lead to suspension of other things, from what I'm understanding. But I'm trying to figure out what triggered it. And one clue that I have, if it will load here sometime today, is I started using different thumbnails. And they say that I can't mislead on it. Like you can't show the thumbnail of something and then the video has nothing to do about it. So I'm thinking if maybe, even though that says winner, is that, is that triggered their robotic algorithm? This I did for my All Solutions Network video. In my mind, it's a girl shopping, and this is a shopping online, program. Link Magic shows a guy doing magic. So I think if they look at this, they're going to see what I was trying to do and not think I was trying to mislead anybody. But I might have to lay off the thumbnails, which I thought putting on a different thumbnail all the time made it a little bit more. I don't know. When you see this over and over again, it gets kind of boring, I guess. So that's the thinking behind that. But I'll find out. They said 5 days before I hear a answer back. And so anyway, that's it. Thank you again for supporting Pro Advertisers Club. And y'all have a nice evening.